Replacement keyless entry part numbers, CWTWB1U345, CWTWB1U331, GQ43VT11T, CWTWB1U212, 8L3T15K601AB, 2L3T15K601AB, F87B15K601, AB, 8L3Z15K601AA, 164R8007, OUCD 60022, 164R8070. Note: your vehicle must already be equipped with keyless entry for the remote to work. 100% complete remote pair of replacement keyless entry remote ignition key combo with a battery, electronics and transponder chip will start your car installed. Compatible with Ford 1998 to 2016 F150 F250 F350. Great replacement part to match the original in form and function. Please be sure to check the vehicle compatibility guide because there are remotes that look the same but are different. Also, please make sure that your original remote has the same buttons on it. 2 years warranty after purchased. Any question about this keyless fob replacement, please contact us freely. We will surely reply to you promptly. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to program. The remotes shipped very fast. Once I received them, I got in my truck, unlocked the doors, put the key in the ignition, turned it on off 8 times, leaving the key in the on position. The truck was now in programming mode. I then pushed the button on one remote and the door locked. Then pushed the button on the other remote and the door locked. I turned the key to off, and now I have 2 brand new remotes that work great.